Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Just steps away from the iconic Art Deco skyline, we find the epicenter of South Beach's competitive and social energy. The beach volleyball courts and the innovative StreetBarbell Beach Gym. This area of the Sand, particularly around 10th to 12th Street, is a hive of activity from sunrise until the late evening. It serves as a reminder that while South Beach is famous for its nightlife, it is equally defined by its daylight devotion to athleticism and outdoor play. The volleyball courts here are legendary. This isn't just a casual weekend hobby. These courts host some of the most high-level amateur and professional talent in the country. On any given afternoon, you'll see dozens of games happening simultaneously, ranging from friendly community matches to intense high-stakes tournaments. The soft, deep sand of South Beach makes for an incredible workout, and the constant ocean breeze adds a layer of challenge to the game. It's a space where the barriers of the city fall away. On the court, it doesn't matter who you are or where you're from, as long as you can hold your own at the net. Right next to this athletic hub is the StreetBarbell Beach Gym, a relatively new and revolutionary addition to the Miami waterfront. Unlike traditional outdoor jungle gyms, StreetBarbell features professional-grade weather-resistant weight machines with adjustable loads. This allows for a full-body bodybuilding or strength training workout right on the beach, using equipment that is typically only found in high-end indoor facilities. It is arguably one of the most advanced outdoor public gyms in the world, designed specifically to withstand the corrosive salt air of the Atlantic. For Baz Travels, these spaces represent the modern Miami Beach, a city that continues to invest in high-quality, accessible public infrastructure that promotes health and community. Seeing people from all walks of life, from international models to firemen, training together under a Florida sun is a quintessential South Beach experience. As we move through this area, the sound of volleyballs being spiked and the clinking of weights mixed with the ambient music from nearby hotels, creating a soundtrack that is pure energy. It's a place that celebrates the human body and the joy of being active in one of the most beautiful settings on earth. Whether you're a serious athlete or just a spectator taking in the scene, the volleyball courts and the StreetBarbell Gym are the beating, muscular heart of South Beach Sand.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.